Hey everyone, if you're a content creator looking to skyrocket your online presence, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm diving into the world of SEO, search engine optimization. What is it? How can it benefit you? And most importantly, how do you implement it to see real results? Let's break it down. First off, what is SEO? Simply put, SEO is the practice of optimizing your content so that it ranks higher on search engines like Google. Think about it. When you search for something online, how often do you venture past the first page of results? Exactly. SEO helps your content appear on that crucial first page. Now, why should you care about SEO? The benefits are massive. Higher search rankings mean more visibility. More visibility means more traffic to your content. And more traffic means more opportunities for engagement, growth, and monetization. It's like a snowball effect. Once you start climbing those search rankings, your momentum keeps building. So, how do you implement SEO? Let's break it down into some actionable steps. First, keyword research. Keywords are the terms people type into search engines. Use tools like Google, Keyword Planner, or Uber suggest to find keywords relevant to your content. Look for high search volume with low competition. Next, on-page SEO. This involves optimizing individual pages of your website. Use your target keywords in strategic places, titles, headings, meta descriptions, and throughout the content. But remember, don't overdo it. Keyword stuffing can actually hurt your rankings. Then there's off-page SEO. This focuses on building your website's domain authority. One of the best ways to do this is through backlinks when other reputable sites link to your content. Guest blogging, influencer partnerships, and creating shareable content can help you earn those valuable backlinks. Don't forget about technical SEO. This ensures your website runs smoothly. Fast loading times, mobile friendliness, and a secure connection are crucial. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to check your site's performance. Lastly, keep track of your progress. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics to monitor your traffic and see what's working. SEO is not a one-time task, it's an ongoing process. Regularly update your content and stay on top of the latest SEO trends. So there you have it, a crash course in SEO. Remember, SEO is your ticket to increased visibility and growth online. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your online presence soar. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating and optimizing.